My name is Carl, and I'm a software engineer here at SOS Gate. I'm going to be giving a quick demo of what we're building. In an emergency, seconds save lives. Today's emergency access devices all require a vehicle to be present at the gate before the gate will open. That always causes a minimum of 10-second delay. As the vehicle arrives, the responder triggers the gate opening mechanism and then waits for the gate to be fully open. But police and EMS also don't always have access. Devices like Knoxbox and Opticom only work for fire departments. There's also no remote monitoring. So access problems can go unnoticed until an emergency occurs. And then when responders need access the most during an emergency, they're locked out of the gate. What we're building is an internet-connected device that gets installed at the gate. Dispatch can use our software platform to open gates during the 911 call. So gates are open before responders even arrive. It works across agencies, fire, police, EMS, and mutual aid. We also send out notifications when a device goes offline or starts malfunctioning and needs to be replaced. That means that access issues can be resolved before an emergency occurs. Let's walk through a quick demo here. I'm going to share my screen. So this is from the perspective of someone working in dispatch who's in the middle of a 911 call. So I know where the emergency is occurring. I'm going to paste in that address here. Zooming in a little bit, I can see here's the location of the emergency, and here's a gate that responders may need to go through to access the location. I'm going to open it. I see the status is opening. Every gate takes a few seconds to open, so I'm waiting here for the gate to be fully open. So here I see it took 8 seconds. The gate's fully open. I can now move on to my next task. Let's do a second example here. So similar kind of situation here. Here's the location. Here's a nearby gate that responders may need to go through. I'm going to click open. Notice here, I'm opening a community. So zooming out a little bit, I see actually for this neighborhood, there's 2 entrances that responders could use to access this location. And so with one click, I can open all of the entrances to that neighborhood so that responders have access no matter which direction they're coming from. We think this is a critical new capability for emergency departments. Responders should never be locked out of a gate ever again. We're working on building this system now, calling it OpenRoute and the Smart SOS. To stay informed, see how you can help, or show interest for your community, you can join the waitlist here at sosgate.com/openroute. You can also find that link in the description below. See you next time.